Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I got everything put basically back on. You feel me? So, this is the old hub. Alright? Looks like shit, all nasty, been through the elements, all that good shit. But this is how you also know. You hear that? You hear the bearings, you hear that grinding. It sounds literally just like this when you drive. When it's on the lock, sounds just like that. Versus nothing. You don't hear it. You just hear my rotors. Rotors and pads, that's all you hear. Rotors and pads. And that's it. But yeah, back up, it's plugged in. Yep, everything's good. Now I'm about to go refill the other side. But also, yeah, this is another thing about when these vehicles have shitty alignment issues. Not even a fucking 2 weeks old. Yeah, these aren't even 2 weeks old. That, like I said, is a few days old. Bought this tire Wednesday, and because, like I said, with the whatchamacallits, with the upper, lower, son of a bitch, I forgot to do the lower ball joint. Mine is that, like with that or whatnot, when the alignment goes out, what it'll do, and what mine was doing, as you can see by all the little rubber bits, see right up there, it's still kind of doing it a little bit. See how close that tire is to the upper ball joint / control arm? Yeah, it's not supposed to do that. It's not. So yeah. So fun. So fucking fun. Yeah. So now I gotta get a new fucking tire on top of the shit that I already gotta do. Yay. Don't you just love this truck and adulting? Haha.